A quick one, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Netflix on Smart TV. Literally, there are two ways that you can use to sign into Netflix on Smart TV. You can use the sign in button or use another Netflix option I am going to share with you in this video. So click on sign in. Once you hit the sign in button, you should see two options available here. These options include one, use your phone, and use remote. So if you choose to use remote access, just navigate to use remote, then you'll be prompted to type in your Netflix username. As you can see, I have my username here. Then you'll be prompted to type in your Netflix password using the on-screen keyboard just like that. But this is going to take a whole lot of time before you can actually sign into your Netflix account on your Smart TV if you want to use password. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to sign into Netflix account on Smart TV using phone. So make sure you choose the use phone option. Select the option to use smartphone. So once you choose the option to use phone, this is what you are going to do. You'll be prompted to go to netflix.com/TV2. This is compulsory. You need to open a browser. So on that browser, you need to go to netflix.com/TV2. So once you visit netflix.com/TV2, then you'll be prompted to type in the Netflix code on your phone screen. So I'm just going to go ahead now and type in this code. The code is 65213319. Then tap the continue button. Once you tap the continue button, just hang on like this. It should say the Netflix application on your smart TV refresh automatically, and you'll be taken to your Netflix account. So you can see you just have to hang on for a couple of seconds, and on your phone you see now you can enjoy Netflix on your TV. You can see this is what I have on my phone, and here we go. This is our Netflix on our phone. Then select the profile you want to use. Let's say I want to use this particular profile, and then here we go. So this is how to actually sign in to Netflix on Smart TV using your phone or using TV code. So guys, if this is helpful, you want to hit like button first, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.